Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to transform your photos into striking paintings in Photoshop, giving your images a unique and artistic touch. So start by opening the photo you want to convert into a painting in Photoshop. Choose an image with interesting details and composition. Now, once the image is open, go to the filter menu here and then select the stylize or hover your mouse to stylize and then a sub menu will open. All you have to do now is to choose oil paint. So oil paint filter simulates the look of a painting. Now, we have a window open here. All we have to do is to adjust the settings like stylization, cleanliness, scale, bristle detail, and also here the lightning angle and shine. Now, adjust it to your preferred painterly appearance. So for example here, see, it looks like a painting now, but let's just edit the settings first. And you can also adjust this one, the shine effect. So fine-tune settings such as cleanliness, scale, and bristle detail. Experiment until you're satisfied with the result. So I'm already satisfied with the result, so let's click on OK. And that's it. You now have the skills to effortlessly transform your photos into captivating paintings in Photoshop, allowing you to express your creativity and give your images an artistic flair. So converting photos into paintings is a wonderful way to add depth and emotion to your visuals. Dive into this artistic journey, explore various settings, and let your imagination flow freely. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to make a photo look like a painting in Photoshop. See you on my next video.